Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to remove restarting loop of any Apple device. If you are a Apple consumer and you're having the problem of restarting loops again and again any Apple device, in that situation how you will terminate this problem. Let's see. So for it guys, first of all you will have to install this tools, that is my phone debugs, and here we have a option here to address the all kind of the issues. Here see restarting loops. If you're having this problem, then simply just you have to click on this link and you have to connect your iPhone device to a PC with the help of data cable. So let me have here. Now see guys, now what I will do guys here, now see it has connected. So what I will do now, simply I will go for next. While you're operating these tools, you have to be online. Your PC or laptop, whatever device you are using, that should be connected with the internet with good speed. Now see guys, it has automatically detected that you will have to download this firmware version, that is 13.5. so it will automatically recommend to you to download, and if you have already downloaded IPSW from any other's website, then simply go for manual selections. Select it, just you have to on that option you have to click. So see guys, if you have IPSW, of course you can select manually. If you don't have, then just simply you have to click on this download links. Now see guys, it has started to download and it's downloading very fast. So after downloading, it will take a time scarcely, as we know that any IPSW that is total size above, especially more than 2 GB, so of course it will take a time. So just I'm going to stop it at the moment, and see after downloading, simply you have to click here one green button, this one option will be here highlighted to next. So directly you will next and it will fix the all kind of the restarting loops. It will take a scarcely 5 to 10 minutes. Then simply you have to enter your Apple ID and password and you will be able to directly operate or consume your Apple device once again, and then you won't be able to get a problem any restarting loops. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive that how you will address the problem that is restarting loops of any Apple device. So thank you very much guys, have a great time.